I'm teacher Cathy Bruno of 5-1 Talk. What is your name? Wow, that's a cute name, Coco. Hello and nice to meet you. Now, are you ready, Coco? Very good. Now please listen to teacher and eyes on me. Let's go and run. Run, run to the next page and stop. Look, Coco, it's singing time. Let's sing. And 3, 2, 1, go.
Hello, hello, stand up. Hello, hello, sit down. Hello, hello, make a smile. Hello, hello, give me 5.
Wow! Now, Coco, let's sing and dance together. Let's go! And 3, 2, 1, go! Hello, hello, stand up. Hello, hello, sit down. Hello, hello, make a smile. Hello, hello, give me 5. Okay, thank you for that, Coco, and a donut for you. Yay! Now let's fly to the next page. Fly, fly, and stop. Look, my face, my face. Look, my face. My face. Okay. Now, Coco, let's walk, walk, walk to the next page. Walk and stop. Look, Coco. Let's listen.
Nose,
Nose. Nose. Look, nose. Where is your nose? Very good. A mango for that. That was so smart. Okay, now look this one, Coco. Is this a nose? Yes or no? Yes or no? It's no. Okay, that was so smart. A pizza for Coco. Yay! That was so smart, Coco. Now let's swim. Swim. Swim to the next page and swim and stop. Look, let's play a game, Coco. Let's listen and choose. Now, this is how we play. Now look and listen first.
nose,
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 nose.
nose, nose.
Okay, now Coco, are you ready to play our game? Very good, ready. Now let's start in 3, 2, 1, go, Coco.
Nose,
Go,
nose,
go, Coco,
nose.
go.
nose.
Very good, Coco, very good. And a cheese for you. That was so smart there, Coco. Okay, now let's jump to the next page. Jump, jump, jump to the next one and look, Coco. Let's look and say it. Now let's listen to this one.
Eyes,
Eyes. Eyes. Wow. Eyes. Now, where is your eyes? Very good. Yes? No. It's yes. Okay, that is smart. Now, a cupcake for Coco. Very good. Now, Coco, let's say it again. Let's say eyes. Okay, so smart. An orange for Coco. Now, Coco, let's run to the next page. Run, 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 and stop. Look, Coco, let's watch a video. Let's go. Okay, that's a smart kid. Now let's go to the next page, Coco. Let's walk, 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 walk to the next page. Walk, 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 walk to the next page and stop. Look, Coco. Let's sing again. Let's go. And three, two, one.
Nose, nose, I have a nose. Nose, nose, I have a nose.
Okay, now let's sing together. Let's go. And three, two, one.
Nose,
Nose, nose, I have a nose. Nose, nose, I have a nose. Okay, thank you for that, Coco, and a burger for that. Yay! Okay, now, Coco, let's jump to the next page. Jump, 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 and stop. Look, let's sing it again. Okay, now let's sing, and three, two, one.
mouse, mouse, I have a mouse. Mouse, mouse, I have a mouse.
Okay, now let's sing together, Coco. And three, two, one, let's go.
Mouse,
Mouse, I have a mouse. Mouse, mouse, I have a mouse. Okay, that was so great there, Coco. A chocolate for you. That was so smart. Now let's run to the next page. Run, 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 and stop. Now let's sing and dance. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. Now let's sing and dance. In three, two, one, let's go.
nose,
Nose, I have a nose. Nose, nose, I have a nose. Mouth, mouth, I have a mouth. Mouth, mouth, I have a mouth. Okay, that was so great there, Coco. Ice cream for Coco! Yay! Okay, now Coco, let's swim to the next page. Swim, 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 go, go, swim, swim, and stop. Look, it's story time. Okay, let's go, Coco. Now, let's look at this one. Hmm. Who is this? It's Timmy! Great! Now, what is Timmy doing? Let's see. Timmy is washing his hair. Now, Coco, let's say wash my hair. Okay, one more time. Let's listen and say it.
I wash my hair.
Okay, one more. I wash my hair. Okay, that was great there, Coco. A mango for you. Now let's go to the next one. And this time, let's look and say this one. This is Timmy again. Now, what is Timmy doing? Now, what is Timmy doing? Okay, look. Now, Timmy is. What's that? Okay, now let's listen.
I wash my arms.
I wash my arms. Okay, Coco, let's say it. I wash my arms. Okay, good. One more time. I wash my arms. Okay, that was so smart. A donut for Coco. Now let's jump to the next page. Jump, 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 Coco, jump, and stop. Look, let's help Timmy. Timmy says, "What should I do?" Now, Coco, let's help Timmy. Let's go. Go, go, go! You can do it! Mm. Very good! It's wash hair. Okay, washing the hair. Very good, good, good. A pizza for you. Very smart. Okay, now Coco, let's fly. Fly to the next one. Fly and stop. Look! A doll! Let's look! Circle and say it, Coco. Now look at the doll. Her arms! Look, her arms are dirty. Okay, the doll says, "I'll wash my arms." Now, let's help the doll, okay, to wash her arms. Okay, now Coco, what should she use? A comb or a soap? What do you think, Coco? Circle, circle. Okay, very good. Soap. Okay, that was so smart, Coco. A cheese for you. Great job. Now let's run to the next page. Run, Coco. Run, run. You can do it. Run and stop. Look, Coco. We are done with our lesson. And a trophy for Coco! Yay! And a cupcake for you. You are so smart. Thank you so much, Coco. See you next time.